Putin, stop the war! We hate criminals.
You hate criminals? Oh, good.
Yes.
What is this flag?
This flag is the Free Chechen Republic of
Oh,
Ichkeria.
Chechen.
If you remember Chechnya, do you know
I know
Chechnya?
where Chechnya is.
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh, you're from
Manchester.
England?
Yeah.
Well done, nice to meet you.
I know where Chechnya
Okay,
is.
basically, we are in live stream.
Oh, right, really?
And
Who's watching?
well,
People in Grozny.
Some people they will watch probably.
Yeah.
Obviously, they will watch people from Grozny as well.
Okay.
I was actually talking a little bit emotional because I'm very angry of the crimes which they're committing,
The Russians.
the Russians and the Russian-run government, Kadyrov.
Ah,
They
right.
are kidnapping, torturing innocent people.
Ah, I see.
Basically, my protest is in support of Amina Gerikhanova. This lady, one second.
Lady in prison.
Well, Romania has arrested this lady.
Oh, Romania has.
Romania has, and they're trying to extradite her to Russia.
Oh, really?
Basically, about her story. 4 years ago, she ran away from Chechnya
Yes.
because of all the atrocities and all the bad things what's happening. No human can stay there.
Yeah.
Whoever can run away, they do so. So Amina ran away and she found her refuge in Ukraine. She was living in Ukraine.
Yeah.
And obviously we've seen what happening in the last 2 months in
Yes.
Ukraine. Russia invaded another country
Yes.
who was living in peace in their own land, sovereign country. So Amina had to escape from Ukraine and she was coming to one of the European countries where Romanian authorities have arrested her because she is on Interpol line. But what we're saying, stop Russia's membership in Interpol because Russia is a terrorist-run country. Russia is not supposed to be in Interpol at first place because they are breaching all human rights and they are lying. You cannot trust Russia.
Fair enough.
So we're asking Romanian authorities kindly
Yeah.
to
What, is there
justice for Amina.
a Romanian embassy now?
That is the Romanian embassy.
Oh, I see. No,
Yes. So
Okay.
basically, I'm just standing in front and I'm just trying my best. I'm a simple human being, honestly.
Yeah.
I have nothing. I'm a so simple.
Yeah.
But you know, I can't just let another
Fair enough.
country women get
Yeah.
tortured and killed. I can't do that.
Yeah.
That's my support.
Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your support. Please say 2 words to Chechnya and Amina, please.
Well, good luck with your struggle, Chechen people. Very good.
Okay. And
All
to
right,
Amina,
And to Amina as well. Yeah.
freedom for Amina. Yeah?
Freedom for Amina. Okay.
Absolutely. Take care. Thank you very
Okay, see
much.
you, my
Enjoy
friend.
your day. Take care. Bye.
Stop Putin, stop the